doing? Where are you going? Hello. Hello. Hi. Come here. You gotta get closer. You gotta get closer. Whoop. Come on, I can't reach you. What about you, Pixie? Yeah? Hi. Oh, what a lovely bird. What a lovely fluffy bird. Yeah, you guys all fluffed? Oh, hi. We get your grass? What about you? Huh? What about you? Yeah. Yeah. You guys getting jealous. Don't get jealous. Hi. Get your grass. What are you doing up there? Peekaboo. Peekaboo. What are you doing? You begging? Beep, beep. He had a nice big pieces of bamboo. Yeah? Did we stick a whole big piece of bamboo in your cage? Yeah? Is it fun? Is that going to be fun to chew on? Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Get some. You move some up? Hi. There you go. Yeah, I know the girls are going to like that. Huh, girls? Yeah. 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 Peekaboo. Hello. You guys like to stick your butt in my camera, huh? Go play with your bamboo, not my camera. This is the problem when you give them something. I try to film them playing with their bamboo and then they just want to play with my camera instead. Hi. What are you guys doing? Where's Pixie? There she is. Hi. 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 Hello. Peekaboo. Yeah. Gentle. Gentle. Good birdie. Good gentle. Good nibbles. Good nibbles. Good nibbles. Good nibbles. Good nibbles. Good nibbles. Hi. Yeah. You like your grass? You like your bamboo grass? Yeah. Yeah. Oh. jealous? You guys jealous? You guys all get jealous of each other. You sitting on your brother's head? Why are you sitting on your brother's head? There you go. Hello. Oh, I love you. I love you. Hey, don't be jealous. Don't be jealous. Don't be jealous. Yes, the sweet girls. Don't be jealous. Don't be jealous. I love you all equally. You're all my babies. You nibble on your sister's toes? Be nice to your sister's toes. You're supposed to play with the bamboo. You guys talk? Yeah. Hi. Go play with the bamboo. Go play with the bamboo. Yeah. Good job. No, guys, don't get jealous. Don't be jealous. There you go. Yeah, get your grass. 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 Yeah. Hi. Beep, beep. Gentle. Yeah. Nice. Hi. That was a little hard. Yeah, that was a little hard. You're not trying to make a nest in there, are you? Don't make a nest in the food bowl. Yeah? Are you a pretty bird? You look pretty. You look in the little jungle on your vines with the grass. Yeah? Yeah? You're pretty. There you go. You guys pretty? You play with your treats? Yeah. You play with your grass? Get some nice tall bamboo grass. Goes all the way to the bottom of the cage and then up. Nice thick bamboo. And you guys love it, huh? Found this on our walk and picked it. Yeah, we picked it for you guys. Yeah. Did we pick it for you? Did we pick it for you? This is Mr. Twilight getting his grass. There you go. Is Miss Frightful? Yeah. Good girl. Miss Pixie over here. Get a Twilight. Yeah, play with it. There you go. Tear it up. Are you balancing on it? I don't know that you can balance on it very well. Can you not pick at my cut? I have a little blister on my finger. She's picking at it. Don't pick at it. Don't pick at it. Don't pick at it. Can you say hi to these guys? Hi, Pixie. Hi. Yeah. Hi. Good girl. Pixie and Halo, yeah, you want some grass too? Some grass too? You get some? There you go. Yeah, there's some for you. Get some for you? Yeah. You good? Yeah. Okay, just go gentle, okay? Yeah, just gentle. Pixie sometimes bites too hard. Gentle. Both of you over here sometimes bite too hard. These are my little gentle babies. Yeah, gentle babies. Hi. Hi, Halo. Halo always acts like he wants attention, but then he never lets me touch him. Huh. Yeah, you touch me, but I can't touch you. Is that how it works? Yeah, you'll nibble me, but I can't touch you. Good boy. Yes. Yes. Hi. Hi. Yeah. Hey, don't be jealous. Don't be jealous. Yeah. Don't be jealous. Hi. Hi. Are you a good girl? Yeah. Good girl. Hey, you coming over jealous? You coming over jealous? Yeah? You jealous? Yeah? Don't get too close, you guys will get in a fight, because he'll bite you. Yeah? You like a little breast rub? Yeah. Hi. twitching your head? Twitching your head. Yeah? What's about you? Hello. Hi. 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 You begging? Is that how you guys beg? Yeah, you just want a treat? That's how they beg for treats. They rub on the bars and they say, Mommy, give me something. Yeah. Pixie, you were the one begging. Come get it. There you go. You get one. We missed one for Frightful. Here, Frightful. You get one too. Here, honey. Here's yours. Everybody gets one. There's one for everybody. There you go. There you go. This is my buddies. Hi. Don't steal it from your sister. Alright, so we'll leave you guys to play with your grass. Yeah? And you guys gonna play with your grass? There you go. Okay, go play. There she goes. You got that grass? Yeah, get that grass. You go play. You get some too. Oh, you get some. Get some grass. Hello. 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 Oh, there you are. You're going to town now. You're going to town now. Taking into your bowl? What are you doing, silly Pixie? What is she doing? What are you doing? Don't be jealous. Guys, they get so jealous. They get so jealous. Yeah, yeah. Are you proud? Careful. Oh, get your beak stuck for a second. Careful. Hi. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Halo is like, what are you doing? And Pixie's like, leave me alone. I'm chopping this up. You just get away. Back off. That's my grass. Yeah? Yeah? You happy with your piece of grass? Yeah? Yeah? Are you putting it in the nest? Please don't turn your food bowl into a nest. That's not what that's for. That's for your treat. Silly bird. What are you two doing? You peeking over the bars. Look at you peeking. Look at you peeking. Oh. Yes, you like get your head scratched. Oh. You're a love. You're a love. Don't be jealous. Don't be jealous. Yes, I love you too. You're a love too. You're a lovely bird. You're a lovely bird. Hi. Hi. Hello. Yeah, you getting more grass? You getting all that bamboo?